Is it okay if I open it?
Yeah.
Just gonna make sure with you.
Alright, so this is the car. These are the homies. We're gonna be fixing it. It used to be a drag car. Now it's fully gutted. No engine, no transmission. Fucking empty ass interior. As you can see, nothing except the wheel. Step one, unwrap it. Try to get the purple wrap off. Expose the white paint. And then we'll take it from there. Is that right, Dan? Is that right, Avish? Random car.
This way you just get... everything needs to be gone. Literally everything. You see something on it, get it out.
Yeah, true.
It's just the headlights, like stuff like this, we're gonna have to properly dispose of it.
You're not keeping the headlights?
No, I'm getting for the 05 because of the facelift. So 05s don't like the straight here, right?
Yeah.
And then the I think the 02 to 04, so they have angel. From the front, even the back, you could see it. Like they have angel lights.
Okay, perfect. So we're taking off the fenders now?
No, so side skirts.
Side skirts. Alright.
So it's 7.
This shit off.
Alright, so a little update. We got the front fenders out, tail lights, headlights out. They're right there. Now we're trying to get the main cables out so we can take out this whole carpet thing. And yeah.
You know, good YouTube video that helps with that shit, because my fingers are taking the damage.
It's an evil world we live in.
It's an evil world we live in.
The only thing we're having a problem is this fender right here. There's a screw that's being a little bitch, and it's super hard to like take out, so we're working on it.
Alright, so guys, here we have some window louvers. This was a former drag car from my buddy Tyler. So what's gonna happen is I'm keeping it. It's not for performance purposes. It's just for good. This car is not gonna be any performance stuff. This is gonna be a full track car and semi-road legal car. Full interior. Disclaimer. Next year we might go turbo. We'll see depending on the plans. But yeah, so the louvers, how it works is it goes inside the window grommet. You put your windows down. So it would go here inside the grommet. And then when you close your window, it overlaps here and locks it in place. And that's pretty much it. 2 here.
Yeah.
You got 2 here.
Okay.
And you should have 1 or 2 on the bracket, but the bracket seems to be rest. Okay, yeah. So the bracket is rusted also. You should just get out.
Alright.
So we're taking out the headlights now?
Yeah, taillights, yeah.
Taillights.
Taking out the taillights.
The wire cutter.
Yeah. I'll get it. If you want the file, you got it?
Yeah. Oh, bunkers.
Nice.
You wanna hold this?
Sure.
Thank you. God.
yeah, get that in. Get that cranking in, Yavish.
Yeah, it's finally coming off. Don't skip your bolts in.
Tail light off. Let's go. Yeah, damn. Look at that. You just wanna pop, 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 pop. We have the FRS over here in the back, stored for the winter. It's gonna come out soon. Full on track spec. But for now, we're just gonna be working on this.
I really wish I didn't do it right now.
So Yavish is having problems taking out that one bolt. We need a grinder, which we don't have. We're gonna figure it out.
It's loose in there now, but I just don't have space, dude. Like, I don't even. The worst part is I'm gonna have to tap this hole again when I'm gonna put my new one in. Race car, right? This is not held up by zip ties.
How is it not going up?
Because like it's fully stripped like this. Technically, I think I guess the threads are like full strip inside. And I don't have enough space to apply pressure because I'm starting to butcher the freaking pillar here. I don't want to do that.
Damn. And we also got some of the wiring out for the carpet. That's coming out soon. But yeah, look at that dash, so clean.
Probably like OEM Type-S stuff.
Alright, so OEM Type-S dash for sale. Fucking side fenders, side skirts, bumper, lights, tail lights, headlights, all for sale. If you live in the Montreal area, let us know.
What?
What? What'd you do?
Oh, it's so rusted it just broke off the thing.
Yeah, I know. They were.
This.
I think that was the most rusty part on the car. Which, to be honest, I'm not surprised.
I just saw it. It's just like,
Yeah.
I was like, oh.
But you know what's gonna be fun? I'm gonna have to drill that out actually. I need to fix that. I need to get it out.
Wait, it's not focused. There you go. Pure Canadian rush right there, ain't am I right, boy? Am I right, boy?
I could sell this for a lot.
Alright, Dan, so what are you doing here?
4 sets of hip flexors.
4 sets of hip flexors. So we have, I'd say, a quarter of the car unwrapped. I'm optimistic here,
Way
but
less.
we hope it's a quarter.
Yeah.
So how are we doing over here?
Pretty bad. It's tough out there.
Fucking hands are hurting.
Alright, so this would be it for today. We only have, would you say half of the car done?
Quarter.
Okay, let's say a quarter of the car done.
Quarter. That door's done?
Yeah, not really actually.
That's a quarter.
Okay, a quarter, maybe less.
Because this side, like, we still have the whole thing.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna catch you guys in the next video. Say bye bye, Dan.
Bye bye.
Yavish, say bye bye.